In this video, I will show you how to delete images from your library on Shopify. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Shopify admin login page and go ahead and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, what you're going to want to do next is come into your settings. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you want to click onto the settings icon down here. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and locate the files button, which will be in this menu on the left hand side. And then all you need to do is go ahead and select the image that you want to delete. So for example, this t-shirt, so you would tick the box next to it and you're going to see an option come up saying delete file. So you would just go ahead and click onto delete file. So this is going to come up with a pop-up asking if you do want to delete one file. Of course, this can't be undone, so just bear that in mind that the file will be removed from all places it's being used in your Shopify store. If you're happy to go ahead, press the red delete button. And just a quick note that you can also select all items to delete, all images, and to do that, if you come to the left hand side, you want to tick the checkbox at the very top to tick all items, and then delete files if you want to delete all your images. So you can also use the filter option to filter files by the size, type and name, which is obviously a quick way to find certain images that you want to delete as well. But that is how to go ahead and delete images from your library on Shopify. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.